We are Sai Group of Industry, a leading quality manufacturer of twin screw and single screw extruders and post extrusion equipments of rigid PVC pipes, HDPE PLB duct, MDPE gas pipe, PP R3 layer, drip inline and irrigation system pipes, LLDPE suction hose, garden pipe, PE PVC profile, film plant of LD, HM, HIPS, etc. Extrusion lines are available in different models and capacities to suit your specific requirements. We also manufacture the complete range of related machinery: screw barrel, die head, vacuum scissor, pressure scissor, vacuum water tank, pressure water tank, hold off unit, pipe, drive through AC DC motor and speed control, high speed cooling mixer, automatic rotating cutter, saw fitted with pneumatic cylinder for proper gripping and limit switch to sense the set length of the pipe tipping, should operate with pneumatic cylinder for pipe stocking, online hot embossing and ink printers, bedding machines, scrap grinders and pulverizers. Scope is per ISO standard. We are also giving services for hard chrome plating and diamond polish job. We are supplying sprinklers clamp for HDPE sprinkler system. Scope as per ISO standard. Please visit our company's website for further inquiries: www.indiamart/saiextrusion.com. Email us at saiextrusion_tec@yahoo.com. Here are some technical details of SS-EP65 rigid PVC pipe plant. Extruder with a capacity of 65 mm, output value 40 to 50 kilograms per hour. Screw diameter 65 mm, LD ratio 26:1. Screw and barrel material EN41B, nitrating alloy steel, duly nitrated and hard chromium electroplated. Thrust inbuilt Elecon Redicon Ingeco Fenner NU6 model gearbox, ratio 20:1. Main motor 11 kilowatt AC Kirloskar make. AC frequency control 11 kilowatt AC frequency control of Toshiba Japan make. Ceramic band mica type heaters, 3 numbers of heating zone on barrel and die head by 0.18 kilowatt high volume and 3 high pressure blower connected with double point pyrometer, heating load up to 5.5 kilowatt. Die head, spider base head, spider in SS316 material and other remaining parts in EN41 material, duly hard chrome plated. Suitable for 19 mm to 110 mm pipe dia. 3 numbers of heating zone in die head, heating load 3 kilowatt. Mounting frame, sturdy MS angle channel frame duly covered with MS sheet and coated with water resistant enamel coating paints. Hopper, 80 kilograms capacity hopper with 2 side glass window with side drag channel. 7 station heating control panel consists of 4 Fuji Japan make temperature controller, pyrometer with LT, Siemens, TC contactor, ammeter, toggle switch indicator lamp with 3-phase voltage indicator device and 3-phase indicator lamp with on-off switch with all other accessories of standard make. Vacuum calibration tank consists of vacuum chamber made up MS plate with all required accessories with 3 horsepower PPI JB VAC, AC MEB, AC vacuum pump with 3 horsepower AC 2800 RPM Kirloskar make. Vacuum releasing device, vacuum gauge with height adjustment device. Hold off consists of 4 feet of Caterpillar belt with 2 jaws, height adjustment device with speed reduction by Redicon Shanti make. Gearbox with 2 horsepower AC frequency control device of standard make. Semi-automatic cutter, 350 mm dia abrasive wheel cutter with 1 horsepower cutter, 1400 rpm AC Kirloskar make motor with clamping as well as traveling tray will be provided. High speed mixer, 40 kilograms batch capacity, MS plate, vessel internally SS lining with lid, with deflector, with 4 cross blade, with height adjustment device in blade, with 3 bearing system housing with 15 horsepower AC motor Kirloskar make. Scrape grinder, heavy duty grinder with 4 fixed blade and 2 rotating blade with 10 horsepower AC motor suitable for PVC HDPE pipe plant. Some operational requirements: power supply 415 volts, 3 horsepower, 50 cycles per second. Water pump 1.0 kilowatts. Water requirement 5000 liters of water circulating. Space requirement 20 meters of length, 32.5 meters of width and 32.5 meters of height. Machine connected load is 20 kilowatts. Some special features are as low maintenance and higher output, easy in operation. 19 mm dia to 90 mm dia pipe can be produced, and last but not the least, power consumption is very low.